So here I'm going to show you how you can fix any sort of TikTok features that are missing on your TikTok account. First, what you want to do is click on the three bars on the top right hand side. And then now you want to click on the last option, settings and privacy. So once you're in settings and privacy, you want to scroll down until you find cache and cellular. And then under that, it says free up space. So you want to click on free up space. And then now at the very top, it says cache. You want to clear all of your cache, so simply click on clear. And so now once you clicked on clear cache, you want to exit out of the TikTok app, find TikTok again, and then now you want to press and hold on the TikTok app, and then click on app info at the very top. You can also find this through your phone settings in your storage. So now you want to click on force stop, and then you want to scroll down until you find what says storage usage. Click on that. And then now you want to simply click on clear cache onto this as well. So now after that, what you want to do is uninstall the TikTok app in your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then reinstall it, which is going to basically force update the app to the latest version and help clear any sort of missing features or anything in your device. And